What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna hop right into this. I've got a Chilling Reigns ETB in front of me. I have not been able to score any of these in any category quite yet, just because of the whole scalper situation, as you guys know, and I'm not paying double what these things are worth. So I actually already took off the plastic for this, and I had to stop the video real quick, so it's open, but it's not open. So we're just gonna jump right into this. Let's see what we get. So I'm gonna turn this here because I don't have a wide enough angle. Looks like we got a little card game rule booklet here. And this out. Alright. Got some packs. Got some dice. Dice color's pretty cool. I like that. And what do we got here? Some tokens. Oh, dividers. And here is a code card for y'all. I'm not going to use it. Got cards, and we got some sleeves. So they're just going to go back in there with the dice. And we got some cards. What kind of cards we get with this? 65 card, no, 45 energy cards. Oh wow. Alright, so that can go in there. And we're going to go right to the nitty gritty. So do me a favor, guys. I'm trying to expand my channel. I'm trying to grow since I've only been active for a little over a week now. So if you, anybody that views this, throw a like, comment, and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, so I can keep doing this and sharing my passion of Pokemon cards with you guys. Now if I can get this pack open. I haven't opened too many Chilling Reigns packs yet either, so I'm going to build a binder with this set too. I actually have a binder in order that I'm going to use for this set. Reverse Swirlix. Oh, and first pack, Volcanion V. Alright. Hopefully that's a sign. Right back in the box there. Alright. Open much better than the first pack. Card. Energy. Caitlin. Kakuna. Path to the Peak. A very upset Sobble. Ladybah. Squirvit. Crabrawler. And a Grookey, Slurpuff, and a Saul's Buckuk. Now there's a couple hot pulls in here, like the Moltres. I think the Golden Snorlax is in this one. That would be sick if we could get that. Let me know what you guys are excited to see, or if you pulled anything yet that is one of the rare cards. Another Crabrawler, another Grookey, Scorbunny, a Rome, a Reverse Doctor, and a Tornadus VMAX. Woo! Wow, okay. Not bad. 2 for 3. I'll take it. Pack number 4. Definitely can't wait for the Evolving Skies boxes to be released in about another week and a half. It's going to be some nasty stuff. Weedle, Farfetch'd, Castform, Lorvesta, a Reverse Snorunt, and a non-hollow Golurk in the box. Alright, we're about halfway through. Cool. Psychic Energy. Crushing Gloves. Hey, honey. Impact Energy. Ghastly. Cast Form. Larvesta. Another Upset Sobble. Ladybug. Reverse Pessimian. Bleh. And an Aggron non-hollow. Alright, so we're 2 for 4. Actually, that was 5. We're 2 for 5. Okay. Let's see. Energy. Melanie. Brawly. Whirlipede. Larvesta. Marie. Heracross. Plobopus. I like the claymation stuff. Rookie. Reverse Porygon. And... woo! A Galarian Moltres V. Alright, we're getting warmer. We're getting warmer. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just going to sleeve these afterwards. Right. We got the Moltres V. Let's get the full arts. Or the full alternate. Fog Crystal, Peonia, Whirlipede, Spheal, Atna, Rockruff, Shuppet, Cast Forms, a Reverse Scorbunny, and alright, a Hollow Hatterene. Alright, we're not doing too bad. Last pack. Get it open. Let's go. Come on. Hello, Lapras, who is not a rare anymore. Which I think is stupid. You still have Lapras as a rare. Alright, Drizzle, Seabold, Lapras, Blitzel, Aaron, Durling, Delibird, Reverse Peonia, and a non-hollow Zebstrika. Crap. Alright, well, we got a couple good things. And I also have some single sleeves that I'm actually going to open in addition to the ETB. So let's do this. Steamy, Dynatree Hill, Spiral Energy, Furfru, Venipede, Spheal, Crabrawler, wow, that's been the card of the pool so far, Golett, a Reverse Avery, and a Hollow Weevil. I'm going to put those in the box too, because when I get my binder, I want them all to be together. Alright. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Again, guys, please drop a like and a subscribe if you like the content, so I can do more. Dr. Lydian, Spheal. Oh my gosh, this is like the 4th or 5th one we've got. Another Golett, Porygon, Rookie, Reverse Coughing, and a Bennett. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is the last one. That's all I got. Really. Last Chilling Reigns pack. See what we can get. Energy. Lucky Energy. Yeah, hopefully we are. Flaffy. Bone Sweet. A Frou-Frou. Diglett. Larvesta. Inkay. A Reverse Bennett. And a non-hollow Aggron. Alright, well, we got the Moltres, so which wasn't too bad, so better luck next time. But that's going to be it. If you guys like the content, please leave a like and a subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Stick around, and there's going to be more videos coming out. Again, Evolving Skies comes out in another week and a half. I will be doing booster boxes for those. So please come back, and thank you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.